Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to return and get a refund on CNfans. Alright, let's begin. First, open Google Chrome and search for CNfans. Click on the first link in the search results to access the CNfans website. Once you're on the site, locate the profile icon in the top right corner and click on it. This will take you to your account options. Next, click on My Order to view your past orders. Here, select Pay to see the orders you have already paid for. After that, click on the headphones icon on the right side of the page to access order details. In this section, type a message stating that you want to refund an order. Be sure to enter your name and then click on Send. After sending your message, check your inbox for a reply containing the refund details. It's important to follow up if you don't receive a response within a reasonable time frame. So that's basically how you can return an item and request a refund on CNfans. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.